I was sent this wet dry vacuum cleaner and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. So right out of the box, it comes basically assembled. You just got a lot of accessories come with it. You've got two poles here that connect to give you an extension pole. You've got a round brush here on this end. You've also got a brush here with some felt, and this is good for getting lint off of a couch. This is great for cleaning up if you have a felt couch or a couch with fine stitching on it. It's going to be able to get all the lint and dog hair off. These are great. It's got a set of roller wheels, so you can plug these wheels on the bottom and tote it behind you and roll it, or you can carry it. You got a shoulder strap here that will connect and hold that. You've got carrying hooks here and here where you can hook the strap right on and keep it balanced, keep it on your shoulder. You get the owner's manual and you get the device itself, and then interestingly on the bottom it's got two more attachments. So you've got a larger vacuum head here if you're going to do cleaning on the floor. Locks into place, and then you've got a thin needle connection here too for cleaning perhaps a car. This is great for things like that where you need to get into tight spots. The device can be used to clean dry and wet. So you've got a paper filter in here. Right here, you can pop this out. You just turn these little knobs here. It'll come out, and then you can do a wet scenario as well. So you won't have to get this part wet. You can clean this off very easily, just blow it clean and reuse, and all your debris that you vacuum up is going to sit in the bottom of the bucket here, and you just toss that out. So real easy to connect this back. It's got buckles on each side. Set that in place and latch it together. The greatest thing about this is, you see there's no power cord. It's cordless, and right here is the battery box. Other great thing about it is this runs on the DeWalt family of batteries. So if you've already got a bunch of these batteries, you can recycle these through all your different tools and use it here like you would any other DeWalt compatible tool. So you can just lock that in place and you're ready to go. The hose is attached on the top here, and I really like how it clips in like this and tucks in so it doesn't come out. When you pick this up with the handle, it's very portable and everything stays together, so you don't have to worry about anything else falling on you. Really nice how they've done that. When you're using the device, you've got two choices: a low battery consumption and a little less power, and then a high battery consumption with higher power. Click that there. You've got battery life indicators showing up here as well, 3 green lights. So that lets you know how much you've got before you have to swap out your battery. You see the L there printed on the device. That's for the low setting, and then H is for the high setting. Let's go to the high setting. Definitely hear the difference there in that suction power. And watch this as I lay the hose up here. As I cover this up, watch how it reacts. You can really see the whole unit start to pull in. It has a lot of suction, pretty powerful. I'm going to use it now to just do a little bit of cleaning around my shop. My real intent for this will be to take this down to my dock and clean my boat with it. I get a lot of spider webs and bugs and stuff in the boat. This will be great because it's so portable. I don't have to have a power cord or anything like that. I can get into small spots with this hose, very easy to tuck it in. But for right now, let's do a little vacuuming around my shop and we'll see how it does. All right, so I only cleaned for a minute and a half. The suction was great. I could get into all kinds of little corners real easy. Worked just as I expected. Let's see what I pulled out in just a minute and a half. Air filter here's got a bunch of hair and some spider webs. And then the bucket, yeah, lots of fine things that I didn't even see on that floor, especially the hair and the dog hair and the just debris that settles on the shop floor all the time. Did a great job. So I hope that helps a little bit more about this cordless vac for wet and dry from Ecarke. And I hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.